In this video, I will show you how to create discount code for new customers. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over to the discounts right here. Then once you have done that, click on the create discount. And then in here, you should be able to see this discount plan that they have. So for example, it can be amount of, buy, accept wire, free shipping, free gift, and all this, as well as a free gift web variant. So for example, you can make this amount of products right here. So you can put in here a discount code, which is, say, something like new 10. This will be the discount code. So this will be an automatic discount or a discount code right here. It totally depends on what you want to put in here. So for example, I'll just choose this discount code. I'll just put in here a percentage value of 10% and apply this to all of the products they have. So in here, you need to have a minimum purchase requirement, or you need to use this no minimum requirement in order for what you want. So for example, let's just choose this no minimum requirement. And then from this right here, we should see this customer eligibility. So since you want to have new customers, we just need to use this specific customers right here. And you can search for or browse for the new customers that you have. Or you can also use this specific customer segments that you have. So for example, you can use these customers who haven't purchased. This because the customers who haven't purchased are new customers for you. So click on this one. After that, click on add. And as you can see, we have now added this one. So you can limit this use, so one per customer. And then use this right here. It can be combined to the product discounts, shipping discounts, order discounts as well. So I'll just add all of these things right here. And some combinations can result in large discounts. So just choose which ones is applicable for you. So you can also choose in here the start date. For example, for me, I'll start it at April 1st, and I'll just choose the start time right here, which is 5 a.m. And click on save discount right here. And in here, you just need to put in here specific collections as well if you actually do that. So I'll just put in here the product. After that, click on save. And as you can see, we have now added that specific link or specific discount code. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below, subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.